Hey, Ryan here. Let's make an interactive time editor with React. You can find both the demo and the source code in the description. I made the component initially for my productivity app Increaser, where you might open the app while working and realize that you forgot to start a focus session. Then you can begin one and edit the start time of the session on the focus page. The component receives the color for the timeline, timestamp for value, on-change handler, timestamp of day start and end hours of the editor, and optional max values that could be before the end hour, initial value to show the difference, and optional amount of pixel in an hour. First, we render the fixed height container that we keep ref off for later usage of its bounding box. Inside, we show the hours page component that will render lines with hours and display it shooting inside of an absolutely positioned element overlaying the lines. If we have the max property, we display a dashed line. At Increaser, it will be the current time, because you cannot start a session in the future. Also, we can highlight the interval from the value to the max timestamp with an almost transparent section. Next, we render the current line representing the value. To make it more friendly for the user, we also want to display the current value time together with the duration relative to the initial value. Finally, we render an interactive area that will listen to the mouse down event. Once the user presses on that area, we no longer need to display it, and we can start tracking position with the container's handle mouse move function. Here we rely on client Y from the event payload and calculate the new value based on its relation to the bounding box. To stop listening for mouse move, we add the mouse up event listener to the window and set the isActive flag to false. That's all. Stay productive.